Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ban anyone who swears on Roblox. Yes, your account can get deleted or banned if you did something wrong, like swearing, or you bully someone, or you keep saying negative words to that someone. Yes, your account will get banned. Now, what if someone did this to you or someone keeps on swearing and you want to report the user, you just have to go to the settings and then go to report. Now select the name of that user, okay? And then scroll down and look for the reason why you want to report this person or this user. Okay, so you just have to be specific with your reason. So you can say this user keeps on saying negative words, something like that, and then tap submit. Another way is that you can simply go to that person's profile or account. Okay. For example, his or her name starts with Jen. So sometimes it happens after the game and you want to report this person. Okay, tap the person's profile and then click report abuse and then harassment or inappropriate, something like that. You just have to select here and then write or enter a comment. And then after that, submit this. As easy as that. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.